Hello everyone, my name is Green. Today I talk about the triple bottom line. The triple bottom line can be divided into economic responsibility, environmental responsibility, and social responsibility. And the economic responsibility is mainly reflected in improving profits and paying taxes and paying dividends to shareholders and investors. Environmental responsibility is environmental protection. Social responsibility is the responsibility of other stakeholders in the society. That's the triple bottom line. Next, I will talk about why the triple bottom line is so important to companies. First, companies should not only focus on profits and pay attention to environmental responsibility and social responsibility to achieve sustainable development. And companies need to implement the triple bottom line principle in order to produce products that people are interested in and serve the society. The company should abide by the law, give preferential treatment to employees, and provide services and production required by the society. And environmental responsibility is important for human survival as well as for business. Companies should save and reuse resources to protect the environment. And I will talk about the people of Google. Firstly, Google provides employees with bicycles and scooters for traveling as well as a comfortable rest space and environment. And Google allows employees to bring their pets to work. It attaches great importance to employees' ideas and gives high preferential treatment to employees. And Google has a safe working environment which enables employees to work in peace of mind and provides very good protection for employees. Next, Google provides the most advanced equipment for employees, which improves their work efficiency and makes them enjoy the job. And I will talk about the profits of Google. First, the Google employees work 24 hours a day and 7 days a week, and they love their work and are passionate about it. Google has a large number of employees. Everyone has his own work, which is highly efficient and profitable. And Google provides a good working environment for employees, which reduces safety accidents, reduces work costs, and improves work efficiency. And Google attaches great importance to the protection of data and takes a lot of measures to protect data, which not only improves the security of data, but also improves the trust of customers on Google and makes more profits. Finally, I will talk about the planet of Google. First, Google provides employees with bicycles and scooters for walking, which reduces the consumption rate of gasoline, electricity, and other resources, and protects the environment. And Google uses cold water cooling method to allow employees to work, greatly reducing the power consumption. And Google has high requirements for employees' work and constantly studies better working methods to improve their working ability and efficiency. Next, Google attaches great importance to environmental health. If we want to use resource-saving working methods to improve safety and sustainability, carbon neutrality is critical. This is a reference. Thank you for watching.